Hey guys, I have redone like this intro like 500 times because every single time I'm like, hey guys, and then I'm like, okay, that's not me. Like, I'm not some annoying ass bitch that's like, oh my god, like, hi vlog. Like, no, like, I don't know. So like, sup, like, what's up? I am on my way to Sheets. I'm almost there, and I'm meeting up with my friend Chancy, and we're going to adventure and do a little other stuff. And you know, I'm gonna take you guys for the ride. So here we go. You know, we're gonna get some of that melatonin. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but whatever the sun is, we're gonna get some vitamin D. It's gonna be great. You know, I almost passed her car, but I'm here. I see Chancey. All right, time to go do some shit and some summer adventuring. Bye, guys. I would also just like to say, I said, no, my eyebrows are fucking horrible, but I promise I'm getting them done soon. But my dogs are so freaking cute. Why are you guys gonna walk me? You look so cute in this vlog. I can't. Shut up, vlog. Don't you love how everyone talks in like fucking weird ass voices when they're talking to their pets? Oh yeah. Yeah. My dog Bentley. He's such a little guy. And I love him. Oh, hi buddy. Okay, bite me, sure. This is freaking rude. I give you all this love and you just wanna bite me. Okay, we're about done with that. What? Oh, bless you. He's like, what? Bye, Benny. Oh, look. Oh, okay. I needed you to cover my fucking ugliness, but then he just goes away. Hi, honey. I want to take you home.
What do I look like right now? Oh, that's scary.
It's cute. My eyebrows are just not there, but it's okay. Am I the only one that can sit and watch Mr. Kate videos for literally like 9 hours straight, or like what? Well, you're disgusting as fuck. Hey guys, I say guys as what? I say guys as if there's like people, like you guys are like some guys, but like no one really watches this, but it's more for me, so it's okay. But anyways, I'm about to go get some food, probably Chipotle, and then go to the movies with Allie and Savannah, and then yeah, we're seeing Incredibles 2, and I'm really excited. This movie is for grown fucking folks, so if I see any little kids in there, I'm gonna knock their popcorn or some shit, because I've been waiting for 10 years for this movie. But yeah, anyways, I'm about to go do that. My room's a fucking mess, so hopefully you can't see it because that shit's embarrassing as fuck. and I look so ugly. I didn't put on makeup because I just went swimming after going adventuring with Chansey. And yeah, peace. I'll catch you after the movie maybe. Let's see if I vlog because I'm not really consistent.